Use your wrist sizer and measure your wrist. I'm a 15.5. Make sure that the fit is snug and comfortable, not too loose and not too tight. You may use this as a guide as you string to ensure that you get a good fit and for you to plan your designs. You can also adjust the size according to your preference. Some of you may prefer your bracelets to be a bit looser. Go ahead and give your string a good stretch first. Create an S shape with your string. It should measure about 25 centimeters or more. Make sure that you leave some extra string at the top and at the bottom. So I've left some extra string at the top and at the bottom because we're going to use those to knot later on. Now we are going to make the needle of our string. No extra equipment is needed for this method. Just take that string in your left hand and the loop area in your right hand. Now I'm just going to place that loop over the string in our left hand. So I'm just placing it over just like that. Now we are just going to make a knot. I'm using tweezers here just to show you how I make that knot, but you can go ahead and use your fingers and extend that string. You should have a total of 3 strings. You're going to have that loop and you're going to have that excess string at the side. So 1, 2, and 3 strings. Now go ahead and string your beads together, get creative, play with the colors, the size, and the placement. Don't forget to use the wrist sizer to plan and envision your designs. We're almost done. Now you just got to snip off that needle end and you're going to be left with these 3 strings. So take 2 of those strings and put them through the loop at the other end. Push all of those beads toward the loop and make everything tight. So now you're left with 4 strings. As you can see here, I have 4 strings, and now you're just going to take 2 strings in each hand. This is the last step. You're just going to make a knot over here and then you're going to make a second knot. So you're going to make 2 knots. I just made my first knot. Now I'm going to make my second knot. Make sure that you pull your strings really tight to secure that knot. If not, the bracelet may come undone. And that's it, you're done. Now you just have to snip off the excess and you can hide the knot in one of those beads. You're all done. Thank you for watching.